Hands on the clock, move in a circle and show us hours and minutes in exact point in time. We'll meet each other. Look at the clock and no problems at all. Tick-tock, 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 time moves on. Tick-tock, 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 time moves on. Alarm clocks ring aloud, calling out to their duty. No room for tardiness, neither to school nor kindergarten. Clocks save us in their way, such is their solemn service. Time marches forward, never a step back. Tick-tock, 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 time moves on. Tick-tock, 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 time moves on. Trains depart on time, always on a schedule, and the night plane takes flight precisely on time. But we should always keep close with the timing, with clocks by our side. Nobody will be lost.